In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Layers panel in Canva to reorder and manage elements. If you've ever struggled to bring one element to the front or send another behind, the Layers panel is the simplest way to stay in control. Let's start by opening your design in Canva. With your project on the canvas, move your cursor over any element in your layout. This could be text, a shape, a photo, or a graphic, and right-click it. In the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Show Layers and click it. You'll see the Layers panel open on the right side of your screen. This panel gives you a bird's-eye view of everything in your design, listed from top to bottom. The items at the top of the list sit in front on the canvas, while items lower in the list sit behind. This visual map helps you understand the stacking order at a glance, which is especially useful when multiple elements overlap or when something seems missing because it's hidden underneath something else. To change the order of elements, click and drag any layer up or down in the list. Dragging a layer higher brings that element forward in your design. Dragging it lower sends it backward. Take a moment to adjust a few layers and watch how the arrangement on your canvas updates in real time. Small adjustments can make a big difference in readability and visual balance, especially with text over images or decorative accents around photos. Next to each layer, you'll notice a three-dot icon. Click the three dots to reveal controls to lock, hide, or rename that layer. Lock is perfect when you're happy with an element's position and want to avoid moving it accidentally while you edit other parts of your design. Hide temporarily removes the element from view, which is great for focusing on specific sections without deleting anything. Rename lets you give a layer a clear, descriptive name so you can quickly recognize it later. Naming layers like header text, background image, or button keeps complex designs manageable, especially when you revisit them later. As you work, remember that the Layers panel is your command center for layout clarity. When your design has many overlapping pieces, a quick reorder often fixes alignment or visibility issues without needing to nudge elements around the canvas. Keep things organized, lock finished parts, and rename key elements so editing stays smooth from start to finish. That's it. Simple, precise control over your design using Canva's Layers panel.